Buongiorno paesani! Tempo per un'altra parola catalogisa! Time for another Sicilian word. Today's word is riiri. What does riiri mean? It means to lift, alzare in Italian. Many times when you choke on your food or your beverage, we tell you rimani, like alza le braccia, lift up your hands, lift up your arms. Apparently it helps when you're choking, I don't know. So that's what came to mind. Rimani, ribrazza, alza le mani, alza I bracci, lift your hands, lift your arms. That's it for today. Please subscribe to Italiani di Montreal e Amici YouTube channel for more videos. Iscrivetevi al canale YouTube di Italiani di Montreal e Amici. We are at 346 subscribers. Thank you very much to all those who have subscribed. And let's try to reach 400 subscribers by, let's see, by the end of the month. We are the 20th. Maybe in 10 days we could reach 15, 14 subscribers more. Let's try. Let's put in an effort. And like always, ci vediamo presto. Salutamu.